It's going to be a two-part video. Welcome into the room. It's going to be a two-part video. It's going to be about my 9 card. I had more than one choice on how to do the 9 card. Right? Here's the 9 card right over here. And as you can see, we have 1 in the center. I have 4 on the outside. Okay. It seems like they're a little closer in the card. Is that correct? Should I have put it a little closer in the card? Where should I have created this X line? Should I have made a line from here all the way up and then a line across, finding the exact center, keeping it square? In this one it's square, if you notice. And this over here is the 8 card. So we have the 8 next to the 9 right now. And you can see the number 8. And here we're got Roman numerals. Okay, but what if we had an 8 and a 1 on this side? Would that be 7, or an 8 with a line going through here and a line going through here? Counting for 2 or just counting for all 3 with one line? So what is that one line, right? Everybody knows if it was just an L in Roman numerals or just an X, 10 and 10. Well, what if we took this and brought it to here, and this one and brought it to the center? We would end up with a partial space over here. What would they count that space as? Remember, see this card here? Okay, if I use the center and the left, or the center and the right, that means this center is using up 2 sides. So if I use this one with the 1 to its left, or repetitively, okay, everybody always intercepts part of another. This and this, this and this, this and the next one. So here we lie onto the floor. Should I be bringing this up on this angle 135 degrees? Can we be telling the time? Or should we, what number is in the middle of this, right? If this was Rubik's Cube, it would be 1 controlling all 6 sides. But how many sides actually turn on this? Okay, we have 2 sides turning here. Then we have this side and this side turning here. So we have 1. See the top? Then we lift it up. And unless we get see the way this is the indentation here? This is the point. But this point is connected to this point. Right? So I can't use this point. Can't use this one over here because that's an indentation. See, here's the point, and here's a point. They're part of each other. So we can't use it. So the next point would be this point over here. Then you'd have the point here, point 2, point number 3. So you can't use those points. So remember, the blue and the white can't be used. You can't use that one because it's connected to that one. So you connect it with that one. So there's actually 6 sides, even if you see a different surface. So what I'm going to do over here is we're just going to put down a few dice cubes, see if we can do this correctly. And it seems like there's one missing that should have been over here. So here we have a total of 369. The actuality is there's more than 369. There's the in-between here, which connects both of these. There's the in-between here, which connects both of these. So we'll take these 2 away. There's the in-between here, which connects both of these. We'll take these away. Then we'll move these 3 in. Okay, and we're 6, because it's in between the star system, is now creating 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, where 6 equals 9. In all actuality, if I just line them up this way, we'll have 1 on each side, equating to 666. The opposite of 1 is 6. 1 and 6 equals to 777, and that will be your gateway. That will be your gateway. 666. Now, how would we meet? We'd meet over here, right? So now, because we have these 2, which interlock over here, we no longer need that one. And now we interlock over here with this one. And at the same time, to bring in the Don't need the 3 because of the 1 in between, right? Whoop. Don't need the 3, the 1 in between. Sorry, we have the 1 in between. So now we don't need that one. So now we match it up this way. And then to interlock all these, because there's nothing in between anymore, we put one over here. This one can go down to here and up to here. How is the passage used? Empty space or online, passing by the traffic? I don't know. Too many questions to ask. Raphael, I can tell you, once these dice fall, what's on the other side. I can also tell you by just looking at this one corner, right, that the 1, the 4, and the 2 are missing, which is the cat. That means 365 days in the year equals the cat. 366 days in the year, okay, equals to your DNA and your birth, because 4 and 1 is opposite of 6, right, and 3. The reality sets in. The truth comes out from the reality in this one tiny little cube, in this one game. The questions you can ask, and something that evolves with the whole game, is its inner balance of 3.5 electric company. How do I know that? 3.5 and 2.5 equals to 6. Sorry, 3.5 and 3.5 equals to 7. 1 plus 2.5 equals to 3.5. 6 minus 2.5 equals to 3.5. 4 minus 0.5 is 3.5, and you have 0.5. The difference of 2.5, the difference of 2.5, the difference of 0.5 minus, the difference of 0.5 plus, the difference of 1.5 to the plus, the difference of 1.5 to the minus, the relationship of the E world. Thank you for watching this video.